Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a jumping game in Scratch. The first thing you want to do is you want to choose a sprite. I'm just going to search up farm and we'll get all the farming stuff. So I'm just going to choose the chick. And I'm just going to place it right here. So that's a good place where it should be. So I'm going to go into motion and get a go to, and then I'm just gonna go to events and get a when green flag clicked. Okay, so now you can see that now so now it's back to the code. If I move it right here, click the green flag, it goes back there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete the scratchy, and I'm gonna go to choose a sprite. This is the sprite that it's going to be jumping over. So if you search up hatch, yeah, you can get it right here. Okay, so this hatchling has a few sprites. So you can just delete everything except hatchling egg. And now we're gonna change the name to egg. Okay, so now once you got those two sprites, now what we want to do is we want to choose the background. I'm just going to choose the farm because that fits the hatchling and the chick. So the egg should start here. So what we're going to do is go to when green flag clicked, go to motion, and go to x0, 7, y, -1758. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the chick, and we're gonna go into we're gonna go to you have to go to events. When space key pressed, then what should it do? It should go up and then go down. So let's go here and then do change y by 10. But instead of 10, we have to do 50. Okay, so then we're just going to go here, duplicate it, put it right here, and do -50. Okay, so now we're going to go to events and get a wait 1 second block, and we're going to make this 0.5. Okay, so now what we're going to do is it goes up and then down, up and then down. But you can see 50 isn't enough because if I stop it right here, the egg will still touch it, but let's just make it a bit higher. So let's try 55. And let's go here and do 55 too. Okay, so now let's try. Okay, so this seems fun. But now the egg has to scroll from here to here. So let's go to the egg and let's go to motion. And once you get to motion, you have to go and you have to do change x by 10. So after you do that, you want to get a control and do forever. And now let's try. But now it went this way. So we're just going to do negative. Let's do -10. And now it's going this way, the way we want it to. But now, once it went this way, it's just stuck on the side. So we're going to go and get an if. And then we're going to go to operators and get an equal. And then we're going to go up into motion and get an x. If x position equals -41, if x position equals -41, you just want to make it blue and do Control C. And then go here and do Control V. Okay, so if x position equals 241, then what should it do? It should go to, want to duplicate it, and then you just want to delete everything that's here, and then you just want to put it right here. Okay, so now you can see, if it goes there, it goes back. So now you can see, it's a pretty good game, but if it touches it, it's fine. Nothing really happens. So what should happen is that so we're gonna go to the chick and we're gonna do if touching, if we're gonna go here, when green flag clicked, forever, if what is happening, if touching egg, then what should happen? Then it should stop everything. So we're gonna go to control and do stop all. But so now let's try. It just stops everything, but that's kind of boring. Let's try doing a game over. So we're gonna go into costumes and delete. We're going to delete this, and we're just gonna delete this. So now let's name it game over. Okay. So now let's go to text, and I'm just going to do it in pixel. Now I'm going to go here and do game, let's do it in all caps, game over. Okay, so that seems good. But let's try changing. Let's try going here and minusing it. You can see it's actually a whole lot smaller. So let's make it bigger. So now this is a bit too big, so let's try doing this. Okay, so this is okay. So let's try just making it a bit smaller. Okay, this is perfect. But the color is kind of, it shouldn't be purple. Let's try doing red and making this brighter. Okay, game over. So what should it do? It go stop all, and before that it should do switch costume to game over. So if it switches to costume game over, once we start it, it's just gonna be that it's gonna still be game over. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop the program and do switch costume to chick A. And then what should it do? And then it's going to look what happens. So when green flag clicked, it's back to chick, but now it goes to game over, and it shouldn't be right here. It should be right in the middle. So let's go here and switch costume to game over, and it should go to motion, go to 0, 0, and 0. Okay, so now let's try. Now it's a bit to the right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it right here because that seems good. Okay, X, 23, Y. Okay, so we're just gonna go to, and we're gonna erase, we're gonna take away the go to, 0, 0, and we're just going to, whoops, we're gonna go here and, okay, so now let's try. Let's try doing the game. So now it's good. But now, yeah, okay, so now let's try again. And it's touch, and let's do the green flag. Now it works. So now you can share your project. So all you have to do is, we're just going to do, you can do farm jumping game. Okay, so now you can just go to see your project page. You can write the instructions like you have to press space to make a jump, space to make a jump, and the credits like where you got the background, the characters, and stuff like that. And if you want, you can even make a thumbnail. So how you do that, you can just make a character. So I'm just going to make a really easy one, thumbnail. So you can just make a thumbnail. So this could be the thumbnail, and you could write some code to make that be the thumbnail. So you could add a whole lot of things like a score. I'm just going to show you how to just make the game. So you could write so once you go to the project page, you can write the notes, credits, and the instructions, and then you can just press share, And now everybody can see your video and play it. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like this. I hope you like it and it was really fun and easy for you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!